Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just a super cool old 1940 Ford Deluxe. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, but first, I'm going to take you for a ride in it. Car just gets up, goes, very easy to start in the morning, and runs nice and smooth and quiet. It has a working heater fan. The radio's been converted so you can plug in an auxiliary device. There's a cord in the glove box for that. I think I just said the heater fan's working. The horn works. All the lights are in good working order. It has an aftermarket blinker fitted. We'll check that and see if it works. And it's got seat belts. Anyway, we're cruising along pretty nicely. It's comfortable, it's kitschy, it's just cool to cruise in. And then when you look at the photos of the trunk, it has the jack and the tools and everything in there, as well as the mat. The windows go up and down fine. The wind wings work. The only thing noted at this moment that I don't think works, actually I'm pretty sure it doesn't, are the wipers. But I don't think this car has been out in the rain in probably decades, so that's usually not going to be an issue for anybody. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, my number should be down there below somewhere. You can always give me a call. Best way to get me is just to call me directly, and on my 707 number down there. If you're on a third-party website, you want to cruise over to my website, leftcoastclassics.com, and you want to go there because there's a few hundred more photos. There's just a lot more content up on my website, so check those out. Let's see, what else? Oh, if you could like and subscribe and even hit the notification bell on my YouTube channel here. It's funny, we're like almost to 9 million views, but we only have something like 10,000 subscribers, because most people pass through because they're buying a car. But the cool thing is I'm just always driving around in cool cars, so you can have that experience. If you want to do that, I'd totally appreciate it. And check us out on 3 episodes of my favorite car show on the planet, Wheeler Dealers. Did an old episode back in the Ed China days. That was my first one. I think that was like 2012, 14, 15, something like that. That one right here. And then we did a 72 Lancia Fulvia. That was in 2018, and then we did a really cool episode at the end of 2020 that came out on a one-owner green Triumph TR4. So check those out. Again, if you have any questions, you can always just reach out to me directly. And thanks for checking out this cool 1940 Ford. All right, let's head underneath the 40. And it just looks like a 40 Ford under here. These engines are typically a little damp because of the way they're designed, but this car doesn't puddle. So that's good. And when you come up here, you can see everything's pretty solid and in order. Looks like it's got a newer fuel pump. All right, looks good. Just ready to roll as is. All right, this is my jig. I always grab a magnet. Like to go around the lower part of the car and see how it sticks. I just use a really weak magnet. I think those are all evident that they're fine from the undercarriage shots, but it's sticking great to the door. Probably don't really need to do that because we can see that from under the car. But there you go. There you go. Surface scratch there. Detail guy missed it. It's good under here. Good stickage. That's sticking great on the lower portion of the car. You can see a little paint is pulled away or right up in there. But hey, it's an older restoration, so ain't perfect. There you go. All right, so we definitely got a few paint flaws. This is an older restoration. There's a little something right there. And then we got a little crack right there. Another one here, a little bit kind of happening down here. It's weird, and there's a scratch there. That might color sand out. A little bit right there. And a few scratches in there. Again, we didn't go to the level of color sanding things. Just want you to be aware of it. It's, you know, not going to notice it unless you're up close. And it is Monsoon Maroon, so that's not a hard color to match. Anyway,